Hey guys, what's going on? Anyways, just heading out to the farm here. It's Friday night, about 5:30 or so, and we're just stopped off here at the liquor store. Gotta get some licks. I already filled up on coffees. Not Timmy's this time, so, but coffee's good enough still. We're all loaded up. We got the freaking helmets. Back there, we got quad, some more fuel, some munch in the cooler. Should be a good weekend. Anyways, we'll get back to you when we get close to the farm. Hey guys, what's going on? Anyways, blew the tranny line on the Jeep again last night. So, what do we got going on under here? Right about here, there's a split in the rubber hose we put on here last time, so I'm just gonna redneck another piece of hose on here and fucking get her done again.
Changes will get dirty.
Fixed the injector on there last night, so she's firing on all six, which is just beautiful. So much more power now. Yeah, Josh, you're right. We gotta find a hill that keeps the Jeep on an angle like this.
Be good times.
Oh yeah. Anyways, I better get over there and help Matt work on my Jeep.
Alright, here's Zetmont and Lee fixing Lee's Jeep. We had to find a new fucking hose, because the one we had wouldn't hold enough PSI for this bitch.
Yeah.
Look at him handle that screwdriver. This is a man who knows how to screw.
You don't even know the half of it, buddy.
That's what he said.
Hey?
This is the hose. This is why we had to limp it back last night.
There's some diagnostics. He's fucking torn.
She's torn right up.
Shit.
Like a dirty
She's
bitch.
torn like my ex-girlfriend.
Sweet.
Alright, we got the new line already and we're just throwing her on in there.
That's what she said.
Is Egg here?
No, I don't see egg. No watery eggs around.
That's why when Devin offered me his, I said no. Who wants watery eggs?
Where did I leave my snacks?
God damn, get in the fucking hole! Don't even fucking spit on it.
Maybe some Vaseline would help.
Alright, you can do this. There's no fucking... There's a million things you can say right now when I'm on.
Because you're on camera?
Don't drive it like you do your Jeep. Honestly, it might not be a good idea for me to drive it. True. Because the way I drive Dave's fucking quad. Yeah. Here, I'll just take Dave's quad out. Right. Yeah, I'll go with it.
How's this work? Lee's gone for a rip on the quad when me and Zetmont are stuck here fixing his Jeep.
That works so well because when we get it fixed, we're taking it for a rip.
I'm driving!
Hey, you gotta do full choke throttle.
I still don't trust that chain up there.
This is all that is saving our lives right now. Fucking little chain.
If I had a beer, I wouldn't mind so much.
Only one?
2, 3 cases.
1 or 2 kegs ought to do.
Oh yeah.
Things like a fucking rattle stack, eh? Oh.
Well guys, she's on the ground now, and it's time to see if she will work. This is all that was saving our asses when we were under it. One little fucking bolt connected to a tiny chain. My cock's thicker than that chain. Some carnage from the lifting of the tractor. We'll just duct tape that on.
Yeah, I hope the tranny hasn't burnt itself out. She was smoking real good last night, so here comes the moment of truth. Fill this bastard up.
Some porridge.
Porridge?
Ooh, porridge.
My porridge is too hot.
Makes me have to piss.
Takes a little while for this to go down.
I knew a girl like that.
Yeah? Took a while for it to go down.
Yeah.
Nice.
But when she did, it was worth it.
Oh, fuck yeah. It's always worth it then.
Yeah. I like to work for my head. Okay, well, we don't need 2-minute video of pouring tranny fluid.
No, so we'll get back to you in a bit.
That will lose some subscribers. Remember kids, always use brake fluid as tranny fluid. Works like a charm.
Alright guys, here we go. The first time fire up, fucking for the tranny. Let's see if we can't get her going.
I don't see no leaks, but I could be blind.
That's a good sign.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Never too much tranny fluid. How we doing?
Great sign, just like a negative pregnancy test.
Nice. Those are the ones we always like to see.
And if it comes back positive, push her down a flight of stairs. Wow, she's running like a Ford. Good. Well, we got a little bit of slippage still going on here. I don't know, I'm going to try it before low and see how she works there. That bastard! He sprayed me! Oh shit, I don't want to be a hood ornament!
Still slipping a bit, so we're going to take her back, take another peek at what's going on, and bring back to you guys in a bit.
Wipe off the Vaseline from your tranny!